What would you say was like the biggest interesting star that you ever had that you interviewed that mostly, you know, got you like, wow, I'm with this guy in the room?
Right. Dog, I'm telling you, man, right here in the studio, man, my very first interview, bro, was Jay-Z, man.
Jay-Z.
Dude, it was like, I was like, I couldn't even talk.
Wow.
You know, the brother's presence, man, it was amazing, bro. But the funny thing is, when he first walked in here, he was arguing with his girl on the cell phone.
Wasn't Beyonce?
Nah, it was before Beyonce, but you know what I'm saying, he's pacing back and forth, and I'm just chilling, and he's like, oh, okay, man, I'm sorry, man, but I was like, no, go ahead, bro, do your thing. So then, you know, after he hangs up with her or whatever, you know, he sits down, like, bro, let's do this, and I'm like,
Speechless.
dude, this is Jay-Z. Jay-Z's live in the studio with me, but yeah, bro, I got a kick out of that. And then Janet Jackson.
Janet Jackson.
Yeah, dude, I actually interviewed her in her hotel room.
Oh.
Dude, we were sitting, man, like, because the way they had us facing, we were facing each other, and my knees were literally touching her knees.
Oh,
and dude, Janet Jackson, I mean, you know, what else can I say, man?
This man, I'm in the wrong business again. I'm in the wrong business again, man. All right, this is Urban Grind TV, man. We're just from Donnie DeVoe. Holla at your boy. Work in the streets. It's your grind. Holla.